Connect the hose connector to one end of the exhaust hose. Connect the window kit adapter to the other end. Insert the butterfly bolt into the adjustable window kit. Flip the window kit over and place the flat washer. Place the nut. Note: do not tighten the butterfly screw at this step. Extend the adjustable window kit to fit your window and tighten the screw. Note if the panel is too long. You can cut it to fit your window. Connect the exhaust hose to the window kit. Close the window to secure the kit. Use duct tape if needed and seal any gaps around the adapter for best efficiency. Attach the hose connector to the unit's exhaust outlet. Adjust the air outlet louver and turn on the unit. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the mode button to select cooling, dehumidify, or fan mode. Cooling lowers the room temperature, dehumidify reduces humidity, and fan circulates air. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the temperature. In cooling mode, the temperature range is 60 Fahrenheit to 86 Fahrenheit. Note: temperature adjustment is not available in fan or dehumidify mode. Press the up and down buttons together to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press the fan speed button to switch between low and high fan speed. Note: fan speed cannot be adjusted in dehumidify mode. When the unit is on, press the timer button, then use the up-down buttons to set the hours before it turns off. The setting range is from 1 to 24 hours. Wait about 5 seconds for the setting to be saved. When the unit is off, you can set an auto-on timer in the same way. The timer indicator lights up when a time delay is set. To cancel the timer, press the timer button once. When the hours flash, press timer again. Press the timer and down buttons together to activate sleep mode. In sleep mode, the display and indicator lights dim. Note: sleep mode is available only in cooling mode. Press the timer and down buttons together to exit sleep mode. Press the power button to turn the unit off. There are 2 ways of water drainage. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the unit to let water flow out. After drainage, replace the drain plug. The other way is to remove the water outlet plug at the back of the unit. Connect the drain hose securely and make sure it's not kinked, so water can flow freely. After draining, remove the drain hose and replace the plug. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the air filter. Then use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust. Rinse the filter under running water. Let it dry completely before reinstalling.